Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Mikulowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex Quick Look. Take a look at the Euro versus US dollar. Today's date is April 17, 2024. Let's get started. Over the last few minutes, we've seen the Euro versus US dollar move to the upside in the process, taking out the high prices from Monday's trading to new session highs for the trading week. In the process, the price is also moving back above this swing area. The swing area comes between 1.0655 and 1.0675. It's defined by different lows and swing highs going back in time through this level right through here before moving to the upside. It wasn't until last week that the price came down to and through that level, and on Monday the price high came up within that level, found willing sellers moving to the downside. But the selling pressure was limited so far in trading here today, maybe just above the 1.06 level. And the price today has moved up back to the upside. Now, what caused the move to the upside? Well, there was a comment by ECBs Lagarde this afternoon that she said that exchange rates do matter, that exchange rates obviously can have an impact on inflation. And so with the euro versus US dollar sharply to the downside in the last few weeks of trading and moving back down toward the low prices from 2023, which was down near 1.04503, perhaps the ECB head was having a shot across the bow there on the sellers of the euro versus US dollar. After all, fundamentally, the ECB is looking to cut rates while the US and the Fed officials have turned that tide, that idea of cutting rates in June, July, around this week by saying that, well, maybe we have to keep rates higher for longer. And so that helped to that dynamic has helped to send the euro versus US dollar to the downside. But now we're seeing the rebound back to the upside. Technically, if we do get back above the 1.0675 level and start to stay above that level with more consistency, then looking up toward this low right here at 1.0694 would be the next target, followed by the broken 61.8% at 1.07133. Just above that level is this swing area, which was a swing high right there, and then it became a pretty decent floor through here with a number of different swing lows coming in against that level. Then we based against the level again, creating the floor to move to the upside. And when we came back down to this level a few weeks ago, we did find support again against the level and did so here before trading above and below the level and moving to the downside right through here. So there is this area up here between 1.0713 and 1.07314 is going to be a pretty tough level to get to and through on increased momentum. First things first, get above the 1.0675 level and stay above that level for traders in that currency pair. So that's my updated look at the euro versus US dollar. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.